Today we're going to solve a question of GATE Chemistry 2019. So the question given to us tells us that to find the number of dienes that will undergo Diels-Alder reaction. Now what is Diels-Alder reaction? Diels-Alder reaction is the chemical reaction between a cis-diene and a substituted alkene to give a cyclohexene derivative. Now, since it's important to note, it's important to note that only cis-dienes would give a Diels-Alder reaction. So to find the number of compounds out of the ones given to us, that which would undergo Diels-Alder reaction, we need to find that which are the cis-diene compounds. So let us see that which are the ones to be of cis-diene. So we can see the first one, which is number 1. This is a cis-diene. Again 2. This is again cis, for these to be on the same side, the double bonds. This becomes our number 3. This becomes our number 4, and this is our last cis-diene compound. So according to the question, that the number of dienes which would go under Diels-Alder reaction with methyl acrylate is 5. So which are the following compounds? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our answer is 5. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this question, please contact us on www.SouravSirClasses.com. Thank you.